somebody put these in relatively recently, and unfortunately, we're going to wind up having to pay for somebody else's work and then undo their work and then do our own work. We've got gouges in the floor. I hate the pattern. I don't like the color. It's not really helping all around. This is basically a pass-through room. This is a den. This is a family room. What's your recommendation there?
What it looks like here is probably hickory, which is nice. Hickory tends to be super rustic, right? You can see all these knots here.
Yeah.
Anytime you get a knot like that, you're automatically going to get called rustic. These planks here are 8 inches.
Yeah.
That is not good.
Okay.
I would do something that's maybe you can get away with 2 foot to 10 foot planks, a wider plank, a lot less seams. But if you're looking to improve, sell this house quickly, and sell it at a good price, the easiest fix you can do is do a longer, wider planks.
Okay.